Are you looking for the top 5 neck and back massagers? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best top 5 neck and back massagers on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager with Heat. This back massager for pain relief deep tissue features innovative 4D shiatsu kneading, rolling, vibration, and soothing heat functions, precisely targeting your neck, back, hip, and legs to effectively ease muscle aches and fatigue. Simply press one button to activate the intelligent auto mode and enjoy hassle-free operation as this massage chair automatically cycles through 9 professional massage techniques for an ultimate relaxation experience. The head massage device can be adjusted for height separately and can be disassembled separately. Enjoy custom massage with 3 neck intensity / 4 back modes / 9 ways it vibration / 9 hip vibration and 3 timers 10 / 15 / 20 men. Number 2. Back massager with heat and traction and vibration. This chair massage pad features multiple massage nodes and dual vibrating motors, delivering lumbar traction and vibration massage. It provides targeted relief for the neck and thighs with gentle massage and offers lumbar traction support for added comfort. The built-in heating pad and massage functions for the upper and lower back help alleviate spinal pressure from extended sitting during long trips or office hours. This heated back massager, featuring layered massage and heating therapy, is crafted to provide a softer, more comfortable experience compared to traditional back massagers. Suitable for both sitting and lying down, it avoids the roughness often associated with roller-based massagers by using a gentle pressure system for soothing relief. It includes a mode that is stronger than standard vibration but milder than shiatsu, making it ideal to get more gentle massage. The seat massager for office chair is equipped with a flexible neck massage pillow that allows the airbag for compression massage to move up and down manually, adjusting to your comfort. It accommodates most individuals, fitting heights from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 1 inch, 155 centimeters to 185 centimeters. The multi-layered air massage bags around the neck provide sufficient pressure to relieve muscle tension and ease knots. Number 3. Best Choice Products Faux Leather Electric Massage Recliner with Stool Footrest Ottoman. Massage plus heat. Loosen up from top to bottom with heat in the chair's backrest, plus massage points in the seat and ottoman to knead the upper and lower back, lumbar, thighs, and calves. Charming furniture. This comfy addition to your living space also provides an elegant, inviting appearance that makes the living room and more look and feel like home. Comfortable recline. A double padded backrest reclines for blissful relaxation, while soft armrest, seat, and ottoman cushions provide optimal comfort. You can also keep a book or magazine at your side with a built-in storage side pouch. Control options. Wireless controller lets you conveniently switch between 5 pre-programmed massages, 9 intensity levels, and 2 modes to get the most soothing lounging experience possible. Easy assembly. Set this chair up in 3 easy steps. Simply attach the ottoman footrest to its base, then attach the chair seat to its base before inserting screws. Chair dimensions: 27-inch-46 L x 29 W x 41 H. Chair weight capacity: 250 pounds. Items contained in 2 separate boxes. Transportation times may vary per box. Number 4. Lvrumban Shiatsu Back Massager with Heat. Neck and Back Massage Cushion. The massage cushion utilizes 3D shiatsu technology with a total of 8 kneading points, which can provide an all-around full-body massage. The massage cushion adopts enlarged and lengthened massage strips. It has a larger operation coverage and better fits the curve of the back and neck. Massage pillow kneads and massages your neck back and forth, alternating light and heavy pressure. Mode adjustable. The electric back and neck massager has 3 speed modes, 3 strength adjustments, 3 heating modes, and 5 modes to choose from. You can choose the mode that suits you to massage your neck, shoulders, waist, and legs according to your own situation to meet your personalized needs. Back massager, massage cushion, and foot massager. The shiatsu back massage pad consists of 3 parts: back massager, massage cushion, and foot massager. You can massage your waist and back alone or use them at the same time to massage your whole body. The neck and back massage with heat, it has 3 adjustable heating modes. In the massage cushion with heating lamps on both sides. Take care of your waist and back. Portable and foldable. This shiatsu massage chair cushion is designed to be compact and portable. You can use it at home or in the office when you are relaxing. It is suitable for sofa and bed. You can use the massage chair cushion to relieve muscle tension. The massage cushion adopts intelligent hand control, simple buttons, and easy to operate. Number 5. Zillion Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager with Heat for Chair. Personalize your massage. With the easy-to-use remote, choose from various settings, including a targeted back spot mode. Enjoy deep kneading and rolling action plus soothing seat vibrations in low, medium, or high for total relaxation. Auto-adjustable neck massager. Designed for users 5 foot to 6 feet 3 inches, it lets you easily raise or lower the neck massager with the remote for a perfect fit. A removable cover softens intensity for a more comfortable, customized massage. Soothing heat with safety in mind. Gently warms muscles to boost circulation and ease tension. Control neck and back heat separately with the remote. For your safety, the massager includes a 15-minute auto shut-off feature. Ergonomic and convenient design. Enjoy a spa-like massage at home with a S-shaped curve that hugs your spine for optimal comfort. Use it on your sofa, recliner, or office chair. Velcro straps make setup quick and easy wherever you relax. Warranty coverage includes an automatic 1-year warranty from purchase date. If any issues arise within the first year, we'll replace your massager, cover, or any accessories. Perfect gift for your friends and family.